Ah. Hi.
What?
哎呦，出发喽 ！Go。OK， 拜，咱们关。Okay, so this is my birthday gift this year from Moreira, because I've always wanted to make videos and he's always like very encouraging. So he bought a Insta360 for me. Not very familiar yet though. So you can take this off and then you can still see it from here, like that. That's me. And so my plan is I'm gonna put this on my head and then show you how we prep for surf. Because we're gonna go surf tomorrow. I'm assuming it's still recording. This is my surfboard. Put it here. This is my surfboard. And these are the things. So this is a 3-4 wetsuit. It's very thick. So wear this tomorrow. We just bought them recently. There's a whole bag of wetsuits. And this is the Taiwanese shopping bag. Some surf hat. Essential. Some leash. Another leash. Wax. Some wax. Fins. Some more. And now we're gonna head to the car. So these are the essentials. I just showed to that camera, but I'll just show you again. Some surf hat, wetsuit, but these are too thin. We just bought it recently, bought like a 3-4. These are 3-2, too thin. And then leash, wax, some sunscreen, and then some fins. Put it all in a box. I'm gonna close it, and we're gonna go to the car. Monta. I'll bring you too. Let's go. I think you can see me. Cool. How do I close this? Bring down some wetsuits first, I guess. I'll bring a board with me. Uh-oh. No, it doesn't fit. Excuse me. Tough work. Ooh, it's quite cold outside. Yeah. So the thing is, because Monta's board is quite big, it doesn't really fit the middle. So we always have to put them like here. Not the best, but should work. Oh, I'm forgetting a step. I'll put it down here. Uh-oh. This board is very long. Ah, that's not good. Shh, he doesn't need to know that. Okay. Oh. This is the hardest part. Okay. Oh, not good. Put it up. Here comes my board. Let me show you. Yeah. Go this way. Put it here. Yep. The box. 啊，这个帽子好重。I think we'll put this here. So we can put this here. Actually, I'm gonna take these out so we can actually put the wetsuit in there. Ta-da! And I think we're done. Oh, so dark. Good morning.
Scratch my butt.
Nice outfit.
Just woke up. I'm sleepy.
No! Hi. So the original plan was we were gonna go surf one day trip.
Yeah.
But then we were all super sore from the workout yesterday.
Yeah.
So we're gonna go hike.
Yeah.
And we just booked a camping site so we can sleep there and surf tomorrow.
Yeah. But how are the waves tomorrow?
Smaller than today.
They're still there?
Still there.
Okay. Small is good. Gentle.
It's basically forced.
What? 冬天可以就不痛了呗。
Nope. Impossible. So we're basically packing some extra 内裤暖暖包. That's Montag. And then packing some sleeping stuff from the car, some food. And because we don't have sleeping bags, we're gonna bring our whole blanket and pillow. So excited. That's my outfit.
And I'm gonna bring my laptop.
What?
And work.
What? Oh. Let's bring that. Day trip mail.
We should just keep this in the car.
Yeah.
Annoying customer.
Why? 那他怎么了 ？What's the problem?
Well, just
是个饼干吗？ Huh?
why does it have a fire bell?
What's that? I love you. Hey. Say cheese.
Cheese. Oh.
Oh, sorry. It's okay. 我先把 surfboard 放进去。好挤哦！哎呦，哎呦，哦。But what if I wanna skate? 那我滑一下。No, it's going upward. Okay, I'll bring it back. You may head into the car. 好累哦。Okay, drive this thing. 先往后退。Okay, 我跟他出发喽。Oh, let's go. Okay, bye. 怎么关？